Alright, in this video we're going to get into actually making some files, making some directories, and then moving files around certain directories. And this is something that we can do manually, but hey, like inside of this area right now, like I'm going to go right into where we at right now. Let me refresh this bad boy, Sandbox, right? Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. We don't have anything in here, right? But we can go ahead and make something, and we can drag and drop this out here. We can copy and paste. This is kind of like copying and pasting for the terminal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a new item thing.js, right? So now we got thing.js. I'm going to do new item, or I'm going to do make dir. All right, so I'm making directory, and I'll call it folder 1, right? And then I'm going to make dir folder 2. I'm going to be super generic with it. So if I list this, not only does it show the file, but it shows the 2 folders I just made. So let's say that I want to put thing.js inside folder 1. Well, all I'm going to do is mv, and then I'm going to put the file name thing.js, and then I'm just going to put folder 1. Right? And that's how you do it. mv, the file, and then the folder. You do that, and then I ls, and thing.js is gone, right? Where is it? Well, if I cd into folder 1, it's there, right? Just like I told it to be. Move over to that folder, and there it is, right? So interestingly enough, I'm going to go ahead and the thing.js, and I'm going to move it over to Sandbox, right? So I'm going to ls, and inside folder 1, interestingly enough, I have a new directory called Sandbox inside of here. Isn't that interesting? How did that happen, right? You gotta check this out. So if I cd into Sandbox, right? That's not a thing, right? So what am I doing, right? What I did was I actually just made a new file called Sandbox because there was nothing called Sandbox in there, and there's no folder called Sandbox in here. So that may be a little bit confusing. So I'm going to clear out of that ls, show you where I'm at, right? We're going to go ahead and rm Sandbox so we can get rid of that. CD back out, right? So let me try this. Let me try to move thing.js from folder 1. Actually, let me cd into folder 1. Go in there. So we don't actually have it in here, so I'm just going to make a new item, thing.js, right? There it is. I cd out of it. And then I'm actually, like, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to take what's in folder 1 and put it in folder 2. So I'm going to do mv folder 1 slash thing.js. I'm going to say folder 2. Alright, and then I'm going to cd into folder 2. And there's thing.js. And if I cd out, right, and I go to cd into folder 1, then there's nothing in there. So what you're seeing right now is basically the relationship between parent and child directories. So Sandbox is a parent, and the children are folders 1 and 2. So you can see if I do mv, so the file thing.js is in folder 2 right now. If I do mv folder 2 backslash thing.js, right, and then I say folder 1, I'm going to cd into folder 1, and there it is, right? So this is kind of an introduction to moving files around and how it all works. So you see that when I tried to do this, when I said mv thing.js into Sandbox, that didn't work, and I wanted to show that explicitly because you can see that we are not inside of Sandbox right now, we're inside one of its children. So when I do that, we can't take it out of the child and put it in the parent. We have to be in the parent to move things around to outside folders. So that's important, and that can trip you up. So just something to know. And I'm going to delete that Sandbox, and I'm going to CD out. All right. See you guys in the next video.